Alright, I'll just look in my laptop. Yeah. I'm telling from that same slide which I just received. Right? X square plus x minus 56 equals to 0. Yes, you can solve this.
Ma'am, first, I have to write like that, I guess. Ax square 2 plus,
Yeah.
I think, b, then minus
Not minus, bx
bx
plus c.
plus c is equal to 0.
Yeah, it's the standard quadratic equation.
Okay.
Okay, why we are saying it quadratic? As it's containing one coefficient which is having power square. Like in this case, a square is the. What happened?
Nothing, ma'am. Is it right?
It's not minus, it's plus c.
Yeah. So first I have to write 1x plus 1x minus 56 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Then I think I have to divide them,
No. Why would you divide them?
not divide them, divide them into two parts.
No, no, no. What we need to get in the middle? We want one.
We want 1.
Yeah, we want one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 1x. And how we have to reach to that 1x? By multiplying a and c.
Okay. So
And
it will
what?
be
Yeah.
56.
It would be 56. And now using 56, you have to reach till 1. So you have to reach 1. So how you can break it so that you reach to 1? By
Ma'am,
multiplying
divided by 56.
what?
56 divided by 56 is 1.
No, no, no. You don't have to divide. You have to multiply. You have to do the product.
So what will it be?
Some should come to 1. Some either you add them